The station is quiet tonight, not empty, just waiting. Platform 3, 1 a.m. Cold lights on empty rails. Last train left 10 minutes ago. Still nobody moves. Footsteps echo down the platform. Someone checking their phone again. City still breathing outside the glass, but here time slows down. Every face passing through, going somewhere, not staying long. Funny how a crowded city can still feel so alone. Platform 3 at 1 a.m. Waiting for a train or something else. Street lights glowing through the glass somewhere in the distance. Life keeps moving, but right here in this moment, everything feels paused. Platform 3 at 1 a.m. Train tracks humming soft and low. Wind moving through the tunnel. Coffee cup half gone cold. Night workers heading home. Two strangers standing quiet, no words, just the sound of a city passing slowly somewhere underground. Maybe waiting isn't wasted, maybe pauses mean something too. Maybe every late night station is a place life passes through. Platform 3 at 1 a.m. Waiting for a train or something else. Street lights glowing through the glass somewhere in the distance. Life keeps moving, but right here in this moment, everything feels paused. Platform 3 at 1 a.m. Maybe someone's on their way. Maybe someone's already gone. Maybe life is just these moments where we stop before moving on. Platform 3 at 1 a.m. Quiet station, silver rails. City breathing somewhere far under midnight London air. Last train coming through the dark, lights appearing from the bend. Maybe tonight this lonely platform